Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 powerful things you can say to make a woman truly fall for you. Many men wonder what it takes to capture a woman's heart through words, and while some of these tips might seem strange or counterintuitive, there's a specific psychology behind each one that I'll explain in detail. If that piques your interest, stick around and make sure to watch this video until the very end. As you already know, the free content I bring to this channel is often better than what many charge for online. The only thing I ask for in return is your support, so don't forget to like this video. It's really important because YouTube isn't showing my videos to more people due to a lack of engagement from viewers. Some of you don't comment, leave a like or share, and honestly, I need your help. Not only does your support motivate me to keep creating high-quality content, but it also signals to the algorithm that this video is valuable and worth sharing with others who need this information. So, can I count on your like? And by the way, if you've been missing out on my videos, it might be because you haven't subscribed to the channel yet or haven't activated notifications. Go ahead and fix that now so you don't miss anything. With that said, let's dive right in. Understanding attraction. Over the years, I've observed that when a man develops feelings for a woman, he's more likely to say things that unintentionally turn her off rather than make her feel attracted. For example, when a man likes a woman, he often feels compelled to shower her with compliments. I get it, it's natural, and I've been there myself. But when it comes to complimenting a woman, 2 key things make all the difference. First, she needs to feel like she's earning the compliment. Let me explain. Instead of bombarding her with praise every time you see her, which not only loses its impact but can also become annoying, make it seem like you're gradually noticing the special things about her. It's like she's winning you over day by day. This creates a sense of intrigue and keeps the dynamic fresh. Second, compliments are far more effective when they highlight something unique about her personality rather than generic traits like her looks or her eyes. Think about it. If a woman has stunning eyes, how many guys do you think have already told her that? Do you want to be grouped with all those other guys, or do you want to stand out by noticing something deeper? The golden mirror. Here's a powerful technique I teach called the golden mirror. This approach allows you to compliment her in a way that resonates deeply with her dreams and aspirations. For instance, if she wants to be a psychiatrist, you could say, "You're really easy to talk to. I can totally see you being the kind of person people would trust and open up to. Honestly, I almost feel like I've already told you things I don't share with anyone." To keep things light and playful, you can end the compliment with something like, "Too bad you're such a goofball," to break any tension and transition back to a more fun vibe. This not only validates her in a meaningful way, but also sends a subtle message. You're the one doing the selecting, not the other way around. Most guys will take what they can get, but when you show her that you're assessing her and that she has to earn your admiration, it creates a powerful dynamic. The more she works to impress you, the more invested she becomes in you, which significantly increases the chances of her falling for you. Magnetic messages. Before we continue, let me ask you, have you ever thought about sending just one text that could make a woman think about you non-stop? Imagine crafting a message so powerful that it takes over her mind, leaving her excited and desperate to see you, even if she's currently with someone else or only sees you as a friend. These secret phrases are designed to trigger an obsession and create a lasting impression. But a word of caution. If you're not serious about her falling head over heels, don't use them. If you're ready to explore this, click the link below to download these magnetic messages and see how quickly they can change everything. Meaning makers. Women are what I like to call meaning makers. They're constantly searching for a deeper reason behind your words and actions. For example, if you arrive at a date with a bouquet of roses and reservations at a fancy restaurant, she might interpret it as, "Wow, he's really serious about me already. Maybe he's not used to dating someone like me." This is why you need to be mindful of the meanings she may attach to your behavior, even if you're unaware of it. The harder it is for a woman to decode your intentions, the more invested she becomes in figuring you out. I always tell my clients, if a woman figures you out too quickly, it's game over. Women don't want a sure thing or a predictable guy. They crave a mental challenge. One effective way to keep her intrigued is to send mixed signals. For instance, you could tell her you like her and then playfully push her away. This keeps her guessing and mentally engaged, which is highly addictive for her. There's even a technique I teach involving hand-holding, which can send mixed signals and create a curious, excited, and slightly flustered feeling in her. But remember, as with anything, these techniques should be used sparingly to maintain their power. Future projection. Another subtle yet powerful technique is called future projection. Here's a fun way to use it. After taking a picture together, you could playfully say, "Wow, we'd make beautiful babies," and then quickly switch the topic. What you're doing here is anchoring a future scenario with her in her mind. As a bonus, you've planted the idea of her imagining being intimate with you, all without making things awkward or obvious. What not to say? One of the biggest mistakes men make is telling a woman what they think she wants to hear or expressing their feelings too early. When you reveal your emotions right away, you strip away the mystery, the suspense, and the mental challenge. For example, when you say, "I like you," too soon, what she hears is, "He's admitting he likes me, which gives me all the power." This can unintentionally make her lose interest. Women dream of that magical moment when they finally confess their feelings to a guy. If you rush to express your emotions, you're robbing her of that special experience, which is a crucial part of her journey to falling in love. Making her believe. Here's the key. You can't force a woman to like you. If you try, it comes across as needy and desperate. Instead, your job is to guide her to the conclusion that falling for you was her idea all along. This means making her feel like she's winning you over and providing the mental challenge that women crave. When done correctly, deep attraction forms layer by layer, and she starts feeling like she's falling in love. I hope this video gave you valuable insights into the psychology of love and attraction. If you want to dive deeper into advanced techniques, I recently published a video that explains the exact steps to make her chase you instead of the other way around. Even if you've made mistakes, there's always a way to turn things around, escape the friend zone, or avoid her pulling away. Remember, this isn't about playing games. It's about understanding what works and why. Attraction is a complex process, and when you approach it from a deeper psychological perspective, you'll find that creating meaningful connections becomes much easier. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, keep a positive attitude. Until next time.